Hey everyone, Kristen here with Luxe Fifth Wheels. I wanted to take a moment to walk you around this beautiful 38 GFB, Halloween edition by the way. I just wanted to point out some of the standard options and a couple of things that were added. Since this is a gold, I wanted to point out this is a 3-color elite paint job on here. This can be added to a gold. Standard is a 2-color paint job. Also wanted to point out, just because we don't see it often, is the standard stairs here. It is a roll-up stairs that does go into the sidewall here. I'm going to go ahead and take you inside and show you a couple other things that are options and standards. Now we're inside the 38 GFB. Again, I want to point out some of the differences and some of the standards that you will see in this coach. On here, you will see that they have done the Brazilian island and the beachfront cabinetry, so you can mix and match our cabinetry colors. Over here on the dinette, you're going to see the solid surface on top of your dinette table. This does pull out to seat 4. I want to point out the wall board that you see here. This is standard on the gold and the toy haulers. You can option to do the soft touch walls. We haven't been in one of these models very often, so I kind of just want you to take a look around. See the attic storage here. This is standard in the gold models here. The ceiling fan is an option if you would like to add. It does come standard in the elite, along with these pendant lightings right up here. That is an option as well in the gold model. Over here we have the 24-inch oven. That is an upgrade. We do also have a 30-inch if you do not like the standard induction cooktop. Follow me around here and you'll see a nice big pantry in the kitchen here. This is a really nice bath and a half model here. Go ahead and take a look at this half bath in here. It's nice and roomy. And as you follow me up the stairs here, you'll see a nice open bedroom here. You're going to have plenty of room on both sides of the bed. Easy to make the bed, which I hear a lot of people talk about how it's not very easy, and so this one you will have that ease. You also have a really nice entertainment center here at the end of the bed. You can do an option for a TV as well. And here you're going to have a large size master bathroom with double vanity sinks. This is standard in this model, along with a walk-in closet. And you do have the his and her dressers on opposing sides there, along with the shoe cubby. Behind us here, you will see the standard one-piece seamless fiberglass shower. And then to the left of that, you will have the option to put a washer and dryer. Thank you for taking the time and walking through the 38 GFB with me. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at the factory. Thank you.